Worm compost, also known as vermicompost or worm castings, is a nutrient-rich organic fertilizer and soil amendment produced through the process of vermicomposting. Vermicomposting is the decomposition of organic materials by earthworms, specifically species like red wigglers, Eisenia fetida, or red earthworms, Lumbricus rubellus. In worm composting, a controlled environment is created to encourage earthworms to consume organic waste materials, such as kitchen scraps, yard trimmings, and shredded paper. As the earthworms digest the organic matter, they excrete nutrient-rich castings, which serve as a potent fertilizer and soil conditioner. Worm compost is highly beneficial for plants and gardening. It improves soil structure, enhances moisture retention, and provides essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. The compost also contains beneficial microorganisms that aid in soil health and plant growth. To create worm compost, a specialized container called a worm bin is used. This bin provides the ideal conditions for the worms, including a suitable bedding material like shredded newspaper or coconut coir, proper moisture levels, and adequate aeration. Regular maintenance of the worm bin involves adding organic waste, maintaining the right moisture content, and avoiding overfeeding or other conditions that may harm the worms. Over time, the organic waste is transformed into dark, crumbly worm compost, which can be harvested and used to enrich garden soil, potted plants, or as a top dressing for lawns. Worm composting is an environmentally friendly method of recycling organic waste and reducing landfill waste. It offers a sustainable way to produce high-quality fertilizer while promoting the health of both plants and soil. Scriptwriter, Chamath Samarawickrama, +94711223084.